Okay, so these two boxes, right? Oh my God, they're so heavy. These two boxes right here, we're gonna unbox them together. One is a book I wrote, and the other one is like a box that goes to sellers' houses. This is the connected seller bundle right here. And I mean, not all the marketing material is in the boxes because I have to like put things in it, but these are the actual main pieces. So let's do this together because I'm so excited. Hey Britt, hey Steve. Oh Steve, I have to call you back. I was in the Bahamas, I'm so sorry. Brittany. Whoever doesn't know, Brittany is actually the one doing our raffle this month. Oh my God, they're here. Oh my goodness. Do you know how long it took me to write this book? Like, almost 9 months. Oh, no, and no. ChatGPT didn't write this. I did this. What to expect when selling your home. Staten Island and the other ones in New Jersey. This is the connected seller book. Modern, updated, what we're doing in today's market. Again, this is not ChatGPT. So if you want one of these, let me know because there's gonna be a link in my, thing soon. Yay! All right, so my first shipment's 100 of these. So I have 100 of these books. Now let's look at the box. So excited! Oh, it was so heavy. Oh my God. All right. This is how Real Connect Realty markets, right? We are not trying to be like everybody else. We want to be different. And if you know me, you know I want to be different. And you know I do different things. That's why we do all videos. And that's why we got these boxes. Oh my God. All right, so just bear with me. I don't know how to put a box together. Oh my God, they're here. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. Okay, so these are the boxes. How do we put them together? I don't know. Let's see. Does anybody have any questions? Probably not, right? Because you're just like, why did she have a pizza box? Okay, so this is the front of the box, right? So it kind of like goes like this. I mean, if anybody wants to help me put 100 of these together, thank you, Giovanna. Okay, so this is kind of what it is. Imagine like a pizza box maybe. All right, I'm gonna have to work on putting these together, but this is the front of the box, right? So if somebody's like, come up, yes, I am absolutely coming over because you're gonna help me. So this is the front of the box, right? So say like, somebody's like, I wanna know how much my house is. I'm not gonna just send an email anymore. I'm actually bringing this box delivering it to your doorstep with a book in it, with a bunch of information tailored to your property. That's how Real Connect Realty is different, okay? But let's check out this box. This is the front, custom designs. So on each side, I don't know how to put the box together. We have what's your home worth. We have all scans, all different kinds of things on here for you to like look at and learn. Like right here, get our free seller course. So what I did was I basically made a seller's course, right? It's not a book, it's not a thing, it's videos. I know it's so, thank you, Britt. I love you. Thank you so much, Britt. So it's a bunch of videos on how to sell your property, and they're updated to now's time, right? It's not like from before. It's what's happening now. And that's here. Oh my God, I love it so much. Real Connect Realty. This is the back of it. What is this? Taylor. Another link right here. By the way, orange 5 months ago, the best of an old lady. Are you calling me old? Thank you, Brittany. I love you. And yes, you're gonna help me put these boxes together because we only live 7 minutes away from each other. I wonder, like, can I kind of do it now? Like, I very much don't know how to put it together. But let me show you the inside. All right, so this is the top. This is like what we do up here. What do we know? Oh, you're not calling me old? This is like what we do. Some of the things we do. So we have the personalized market insights, property valuation report, home closing guide, frame listing prep guide, buyer's guide, if there's a buyer's guide, all of that stuff. This is basically what, like, my procedures, right? And then here, this is the best part. Here is client testimonials. Right? I didn't write them. Other people wrote them because of how amazing I am, right? And this company is. And then these are videos. This is a link to the YouTube channel because everything I do is on videos now. It's so beautiful. And then the book will go in the box when I figure out how to make it, along with a bunch of other stuff. So imagine, like, does your realtor do this? I don't think so. I don't think your realtor does this, right? And this is what Real Connect Realty is absolutely all about. Hey, Bliss. You know what, Brittany? Bliss is going to help me put these together, too. So excited. Oh, my goodness. And Bliss actually brought them up for me because I was away. So shout out to Bliss and her husband for carrying these boxes. But here we are. Gorgeous. So if you want one or you're thinking of selling your property in Staten Island, let us know. We will absolutely have this dropped off right at your doorstep. So I'm gonna, Anybody have any questions? This is so exciting. Again, ChatGPT didn't write this, okay? I literally hired a coach, had a coaching program, in a coaching program, and these are the things that we're learning. Because you should always be learning. And yes, the connected seller, Real Connect Realty. See what we're doing there? But yes, this is why Real Connect Realty is different. This is what we're doing. So excited about this. So again, if you are thinking of selling your property in Staten Island or New Jersey, and you want to know a market analysis of your property, let us know. You will get one of these bad boys right at your doorstep. Oh my God. And they are so beautiful. They are. Look at them. Let's look at it again. For anybody who's new on this live right now, Real Connect Realty, this is how we market. Super, super excited about these. I did write a book. ChatGPT did not write it. I did right here. It's like 8 months in the making. And now if you're a buyer, you're like, well, you don't have anything from me. That's not true. We just had this first. We have a lot of things coming out for buyers as well. Whole buyer pack. So we're going to have seller boxes and buyer bags. That's kind of what we're doing. Remember, I just opened this company, right? So I'm starting from the beginning and just creating. And these are two things I'm very, very, very proud of. So if nobody has any more questions, I am going to take some of these and start boxing them up. Again, if anybody wants any, let me know and we'll send them out over to you. All right. Bye. Oh. Bye.